Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to understand the arithmetic functions in Google Looker Studio. So arithmetic functions helps you to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, percentages, power, rounding and more. So it's directly inside the calculation field. So directly we can't do the source data. So we are going to create some kind of calculation fields. So on top of that, we are going to apply this, the mathematic functions. So if you are going to work with the sales, revenue, profit, growth, or ratio, right? In this functions, it's absolutely necessary. So in that scenario, we are going to definitely we will use this, the arithmetic functions. Okay. So arithmetic functions in Looker Studio are used to perform basic and to advanced mathematical operations. So it will help you to, calculate the sales, average, profit, loss, percentages, rounding, and absolute value and power value. So we can use this while creating the calculation fields in the either charts or tables or scorecards. Okay, so let's get started without any further delay. So here is the the functions. What are the functions are available in the Looker Studio? So here are the functions you can see, right? The ABS, assign, seal, floor, rounding, power, the square root. Even you can see the other functions as well, the ASOS, the assign. So basically these functions are useful for only the data science or mathematical, machine learning and the statistics, right? In that scenario, we are going to use for the BA reporting purpose. We are not going to use these many functions absolutely. So we will use only less functions like mathematical calculations, like very basic functions we are going to use. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to cover those, the what are the basic functions we are going to use. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to, so here is the Looker Studio we are going to use. I'm going to create the basic report to demonstrate how we are going to use the arithmetic functions. Let me open okay, so here I'm going to choose the data source. It's already available in my sources. Okay, so here is the data source. It will appear here. Even you can see the properties. I think it's still loading, so that's why it is delaying. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, let me try to create one table chart. Okay. Yeah, the loading. Yeah, now you can see, right? So here is the one. Yeah, it's basically 100%. Let me remove this record count. I don't want any record count. Let me add the product here. So let me go for the hierarchy guys. Okay, in the product, and let me add the unit. How many units we sold, and let me add the total sales as well. Operating profit as well. So I can enlarge, will be visible for everyone properly. So here is the fields. Right now we are in the dimension field. So currently we are doing in the dimension level itself. So we are not going to aggregate. So if I pull to the aggregate level, metric level, so it will sum up everything. It will show the only the it won't appear this many times this product. Okay, so because we are still in the dimension level, so we are going to calculate this on a calculation the dimension level itself. So let me try to create some kind of arithmetic calculations here. So I'm going to create with the cost. Okay, so this is the cost I'm trying to create. So the cost will be the total sales minus the operating profit. Okay, so let me pull down. So this is the field it will take dynamically. So this is the default value. We can't change this one. So this is the label name we can change. Let me save this field and date. Okay. Yeah. Now cost will be updated here. You can see the dimension type, the data type. It's changed to 1 to 3. It's a number. And you can see here, right, the function symbol. If you click on here, we can go ahead and we can do the. We can update the calculation field always. If I pull the cost here, you can see the cost, right? Total sales minus type. Sorry. So instead of the subtraction, I added a division. So let me refresh the report. So now we can see the difference, right? The total sales minus the operating profit. So here in the similar way, we are going to create one more the calculation field. Okay, so the price per unit. So I'm going to calculate the price per the instead of the all the values I'm going to create. Okay, the profit unit I'm going to create. So here is the operating profit what we received divided by units sold. So here is the calculation. So if I save and finish here, profit per unit. So here is the field. So here is the calculation, right? You can see the profit per unit. Okay. So what I did here, so the numerator value, if it is going to be null, right? So I added one more condition here. If init source is 0, then it is going to be 0. Else it is going to be the calculation. So we can see here, if there is a value is 0, directly it will go and it will show it as a 0 instead of the null values. Okay. So this is about the arithmetic functions in Looker